To track wallets on Axiom Pro Trade, you will need an Axiom account. Once you have signed up, you can access the platform and track wallets in two different ways: by going to the Wallet Tracker section or by navigating to the Tracker tab, where you can find the Wallet Manager. To begin, you will need to find a wallet address that you would like to track, keeping in mind that it is essential to do your research before tracking a wallet. You can find potential wallets to track by exploring different coins and their holders. For example, you can browse through a list of holders for a particular coin. Select a wallet and copy its address. Next, go to the Wallet Tracker section and click Add Wallet to add the wallet address you copied. You can also give the wallet a name and add an emoji for easy identification. Once the wallet is added, you can set alerts, delete it, scan the address, or view live trades. Additionally, you can view when the wallet was created, copy it, rename it, or make other changes as needed. Your tracked wallets can be found under the Wallet Manager in the Trackers tab. It is crucial to remember to conduct thorough research before tracking a wallet to ensure you are making informed decisions.